Thank you, Your Excellency Sir Paul Simba Arati, and all protocols observed. Good afternoon. Aba machoge aba machoge wa aba girango aba girango wa Paul Simba Arati Paul Simba Arati wa Tigango Nyiwe, the only lady elected in both Kisii and Nyamira counties. Beatrice Kerubo Makwae Beatrice Kerubo Makwae wa. Your Excellency, I'm happy for what you are doing. Yesterday we had such a group from some counties, and today I'm standing here happy because my constituency and another neighbor constituency, borders, are here to get a message from you. From where I come from, this is MCA Bombaba Borabu Ward. My border are in the process of opening a sako. Apa mbaba balia mogenreti ko igole sako. Ne kera tu umirete Your Excellency ba tebetenge kero ba go chiko launch esa ke after ya igoirwe o chiko ba omogeni mugane ti Paul Simba Arati achaka ba omogeni e kero mo launch esa keria ngai chinko bichia His Excellency chire intue aba machoge na bambaba, we are behind you, and remember inchende elected kurua se epatia ODM. Otherwise, let me thank you because of the good work you do. Abantu baganyete ground mubate binga ngai mo waka chikura ngai to waka chikura gochia kiagere inukira li tukabana boda igomosogete tigankorera umbasabere amaya omone na abasesenie omone na abarorekanere omone na asesenie chinyomba chino angabone chingo wimoko omonene bali banyomete, you take care of your women bali botara nyoma omone na aba chipati na chingi ya seseniwa.